I came from the Department of Education. Most recently I taught, or I was the special education director for the state of Wyoming, and with that I've brought a different sense of special ed. So I've taught special ed, and I was a professor at a small liberal arts college in Iowa. And then I was at the Department of Education, so I've gotten to see special ed from all these different lenses. And I think that is, I bring a lot of that knowledge to the classes. So for instance, I teach a law class that is pretty critical for anyone that wants to teach special ed. It's not just about teaching students, which is important, and we all want to have best practices with students, but special ed has a pretty heavy-duty law called IDEA, Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. And anyone that wants to teach special ed really has to know that law and the rules and regulations, and it gets pretty specific for Wyoming. And because I was at the State Department, I can bring a lot of that kind of Wyoming perspective to the course and really make sure our students fully understand that law and can implement the law, not just know it on paper, but can actually, what does that mean for me now as a teacher, and how do I implement that in my classroom and in my school, in my district. So I think that's sort of something that's really fortunate for me to bring to our students, and something I really enjoy because I have that kind of unique perspective.